Ho ho ho, folks! Boss Bogue here, wanting to wish a hearty thank you to AI Santa. Now, like most reasonable adults, I always just assumed AI Santa was a lie that parents made up to help kids behave themselves. But then Storylane gave me the greatest gift of all. They helped prevent my sales team from having a conversation with Fagman by using Storylane to qualify and disqualify prospects. Are you interested in having a conversation about value so we can determine if we have mutual interests?
Oh, that's very nice, Fagman. Why don't you go talk to somebody else?
'Tis the season. Hey, wait a minute, boss. If Santa is working at Storylane now, then who's working as Santa? Hey, that's a good point. Kringle, you need to go back to your old job right now because there is no way I'm going to buy my children presents this year.
Oh, are you kidding? AI is the only reason I've ever had time to be Santa Claus. I've been using AI for over 1,700 years.
Not gonna lie, but it kind of feels like you just ruined my childhood.
Oh, you think I actually read every letter from every girl and every boy? How many hours do you think are in a day?
AI Santa is real. See him in action when you check out an interactive demo at storylane.io. Merry Christmas.